Just a very quick observation in relation to JSE listed SASOL Limited, and we're on the monthly chart. And on the monthly chart, at this point in time, it appears that the market has closed to the upside of this channel over here. And in my very humble opinion, what is currently happening is that a lot of traders and investors are buying at this point in time, and I would expect that a lot of them are anticipating that the market will at least reach this level over here, more or less, from where it is, and that is the 26,469 price level. However, having said that, just note that we are still in a strong downward trend. If I can just draw it, right, we are still in a strong downward trend, and as much as it appears at this point in time that price has closed to the upside of that trend line, it is very much possible that the market may potentially move further down to at least around this level over here, which is the plus minus 21,000, or rather 2,142 price level. And myself personally, I would not buy at this point in time. I actually want price to still move further down somewhat and to this level over here, plus minus. And once it does so at this level, as I've said in the past, is where I will be looking to potentially buy, right? And if I do buy at this level over here, my first take profit should be around here somewhere, which is again the 26,469 price level, right? Another reason why I say that a lot of traders and investors at this point in time are possibly buying is that over and above the fact that we have this channel, if I can just mark it, this channel being broken to the upside, we also have what seems to be an inverted head and shoulders pattern over here, as you guys can see. And this would be the left shoulder, this would be the head, and this area would be the right hand shoulder, and it has a neckline around here somewhere, if I can just draw it properly, right? And also other investors and traders are actually waiting for price to close above that neckline, which is, as I said, over here more or less. And once price does that, they will be looking to potentially buy on the retest of that neckline, which would then be a very strong level of support if it does happen, right? As things stand, price is actually at a very strong level of, price is at a very strong level of resistance, and where we have this resistance is where we may potentially see the retracement of the market, right, from that level, which is also the neckline of that inverted head and shoulders pattern, to around here somewhere. And as I said, at this level is where I will be looking to potentially buy. So in other words, I'm not going to buy at this point in time. I'm going to wait for price to potentially drop, right? And if it does so, as I said, I will be looking to potentially buy at that level over there.